They say babies aren't born with instructions. The truth is, mothers aren't born with them either. The first latch may not be perfect. You may wonder, am I doing this right? Your baby wonders too. Together, you learn. One feed teaches your baby that you'll always be there. One feed teaches you to understand a different cry. Slowly, your baby begins to trust you, and something beautiful happens. You begin to trust yourself too. Not because every day is easy, but because you don't have to figure it out alone. With guidance that helps you find what works, and support that reminds you to care for yourself too. With your partner, your family, your doctors, every reassuring word, every helping hand. Because trust isn't built in one perfect moment. It grows in every latch. Care like no other.